Hi there, Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces. Today I want to introduce you to the Amantii Cube 3-sided electric fireplace. Before I do that, please remember to like this video and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So the Amantii Cube is part of the Amantii Tru-View series of 3-sided fireplaces. So you do have glass on all 3 sides, like a bay window. It is also the most compact of the Tru-View series, as you can see. And it's one of the most versatile. So this fireplace is sitting on the speaker base, which is specifically made for the Cube. So it's a Bluetooth speaker and you can stream your music through there. You can also get a 4-legged base, so this would look more like a stove. And then you can mount this unit to the wall, or you could take this and install it completely in the wall. And then you would just see the glass on the 3 sides like a regular 3-sided electric. It's also indoor-outdoor rated, which is true of most Amantii fireplaces these days, so it could be installed on a patio or a balcony. It has 3 color flames, which is typical of an Amantii electric, so you can increase the intensity by using the orange, yellow, and red, and get it to suit the way you like to see a flame. And then there's also an accent lighting shining down, so I'll turn it off and then on, and you can adjust those colors as well, shining on your media kit. The standard media kit here is a birch log set. It's a 10-piece log set. We've swapped that out for a more rustic wood. Keep in mind these log sets are universal. They're designed for multiple different size fireplaces. So in this case, with such a compact fireplace, the 10-piece kit is not going to fit completely into the fireplace. And that's okay. You're going to have some extra pieces in the media package. You're not going to use them all, and that's all right. Just use the pieces that make the most sense for how you want to see the fireplace. There's lots of stuff in the kit to play with. And as we've done, you can swap it out. There is a heater. The heat is going to blow out down over the glass. But of course, like all electrics, you can operate it without the heater if your room is warm enough. So it really does make it a year-round fireplace. You do not have to have the heat to have the flames. So this is the Amantii Cube 3-sided electric fireplace. You can find it at stylishfireplaces.ca. Search by brand under Amantii, or search by style for 3-sided.